Welcome back. In this tutorial we will learn how to create a CINEMAGRAPH, a combined video clip and photo. So let's get started. Drag your video clip and photo in the Photoshop. The timeline will pop up automatically when a video clip is in a Photoshop. Then drag the image in the video clip window, and adjust the size of the image. Make sure that your image is outside the folder of the video clip. Then move your image under the folder of the video clip. Select the blending mode, and choose overlay. You will see that the image and the clip combined. Click the layer of the image, and make sure that you expand the image up to the end of your clip. You can select the color balance and make a few adjustments that you want. You can also add some curves. You will notice, the more layer that you add, can also reflect in the timeline below. Now click the video folder, so we can mask out some elements to make the image more clear. Click play in the timeline to check your mask flow. Click File, select Export, then choose Render Video. Then a render video will pop up. Change your preset mode to the flat form that you want. Change your frame rate to the same value of your preset mode. Then click Render. Subscribe for more videos.